by turning it off like this. Then I tap 2 times and it will get on. And here on the home screen, it's vertical movement. So you have all the applications. These are applications that are open already. So, and if you want to go to settings, camera, you just pull. You don't push anything and you let go and you will go to settings. Inside applications, you always swipe to go back. So it's swiping from the side like this. And then you will be back. And also all the open application, here is messages for example. You can write a new message like that. Just inside the applications, just turn. And back, always swiping. If I have a lot of applications open, I can just one by one close them, or I close them all at the same time. Notifications I get by pulling up like this. Anywhere where I am, I will just pull and I will see my notifications. And I go back. So, and when I call someone, you just pull. You go to the telephone, and then swipe, and I will be back. And then turn it off like that. So it's just really small, user-friendly, just the base. So no press buttons. You don't need to all the time pushing this. And small movements, really, and no need to push, really. So like that.